Hi, Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances at our Robinson Experience Center. So you're getting ready to replace your hood, but you don't know what kind of hood to get. You possibly may be doing a new kitchen or just sprucing things up, or you just want to replace your hood. I'm going to go through the different types of hoods so that you can make the best possible buying decision, but also get the verbiage correct in terms of what it is you truly are looking for. So the first hood I'm going to show you is a chimney style hood. So we call this a chimney style hood because it flares and then there's a chimney that will cover our ductwork. This is also referred to as a European style hood. Okay, so this will be the first style hood. This can be put over top of traditional electric or gas cooking. You just have to determine the proper CFM level for the cooking product you have below. The next type is going to be an insert. So an insert will go up inside either a wood enclosure, a plaster type enclosure like we have, or maybe just a decorative enclosure that you may have. So a hood insert refers to something that's going to be inserted up inside of some type of material. And they come in all different widths. So you want to be sure to specify on your insert what your overall width is going to be of your enclosure and what the interior cutout of your enclosure is going to be. This is another form of a chimney style hood. This is just a different design. Doesn't slope up, it's more of a flat design. The other type of hood we're going to have will be a professional style hood, which we're going to show in this picture. The professional style hood is typically going to be taller at 18 inches tall. It's going to have varying widths, and it's designed to go over high output BTU cooking products like professional style ranges. And the last style hood is going to be a under cabinet hood. The under cabinet hoods usually are shorter in height, 6 inches up to, let's say, 10 inches, and they're designed to just mount underneath a cabinet. Those are usually 30 or 36 in width. They can be vented or non-vented. Thank you for watching. Please comment below. If you have any questions, go to donsappliances.com. And again, thank you again for watching.